Hello friends, I am Arindam. You all are welcome to my channel English Learner. How are you? Now today I like to discuss about a vital topic, that is government jobs versus private jobs. Let's start. In this video I discuss on some points which basis I basically differentiating on the government jobs and private jobs, and the points are: first is the job opportunity. Now in case of government jobs, it is very hard to get a government job. On the other hand, if you are compared to the private job, it is little bit easy to get a private job, little bit easy. Next, a huge competition are there in case of government jobs, but in case of private job competition is little less. Now next, in case of getting finally a job, in case of government job, it is very lengthy process, long time consuming process. How? Like you are applying to the a staff selection commission. Okay, you are applying. Okay, fine. Say after lots of days, you are getting admit card for the preliminary exam. You are taking the preliminary exam. Like 1 or 2 months later, you are selected for the main exam. Then do that main exam. Then 2 or 3 months you are finally selected. Then for the interview, and 2 or 3 months you are do the interview, and next or 3 or 4 months you are finally selected. Huge process, lengthy process are there, time consuming process. But in case of private job, like if you are applying for a IT sector, IT sector is also the private jobs. You are engineer and you are go for the selection process. Like 2 or 3 days you get your result that you are selected or not. Very small time taken in the private jobs. So in case of job opportunity, private jobs is better. Next, vacancy. Now in case of government jobs, when the government jobs are released, like staff selection commission, they are noticed or opened that a lot of job opportunity there, like they are hired like 2 or 3 lakhs candidate from the different sectors, different ministry. A lots of vacancy are there. But in case of private jobs, generally it is less. But it is true also, which are the global leaders like TCS, like Wipro, like Cognizant, they are recruiting lots of candidates, lots of employers. Next is the growth. Now in case of government jobs, growth is very less because you just a continue work are there. Very few cases, rare cases are occurred where you just learn some new things. Your growth is there. No, in case of government jobs, the growth is very less because there have some no opportunity to grow, to develop yourself. No, there is no chance in case of government jobs. But in case of private jobs, you must update yourself, learn some new things time to time. Next, vacation or holiday. Now in case of government jobs, the vacations in case of government jobs is large vacations. Number of vacations is greater than the private jobs. In case of government jobs, with including the Saturday, Sunday, lots of holidays are there, like national holidays, and sometimes you are applying for some leaves also for the special cases, and government provide you that. But in case of private jobs, no holiday are there. So on Saturday, Sunday, you must do your job, come on the office. If your office call you, yes, you must come to the office. So no vacation are there. Okay. Now next is the working time. Now in case of government jobs, working time is just fixed, like 9 hours or 10 hours. On the after that you are free. Yes. But in case of private jobs, no fixed time hours. If needed, you must work under your home also. You must work. So working time is not fixed. Very large working time in case of private jobs. Next, salary. Now in case of salary, in case of government jobs and the private jobs, there is a different type of category are there. So the comparison between the government jobs and private job on basis of salary is huge difficulty. But yes, on the some category, the government gives us some high salary. On there, in case of government jobs, there is some pay commissions are there. Also, the grade pay also included. But in case of private jobs, though they also give a salary, good salary, but not this type of pay commission like this grade pay, not there. Next is the promotion. Now in case of government jobs, it is very hard. You are working your best, do your work better, do your 100%, you are efficient, but still you are waiting for your promotion, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years also. You will not get a promotion very easy in case of government jobs. But in case of private jobs, it is easy. If you do your work better, you are efficient, you are able, so they are promoted yourself very quickly. Next, bonus. In case of government jobs, they are provide the bonus in every cases. That means there is a no things like that. Yes, in this year profit is not greater, so it is a loss. So we are not give the bonus to our employers. No, if you are do the government jobs, they must give us some bonus. Yes, it is greater or lesser, that another thing. But you are must give some bonus. But in case of private sector, if they are get some extra profit, on the basis the company gives you a small percentage as a bonus. There may or may not be given. But in case of government jobs, you must get a bonus. So that is basically a thing. The difference between the government jobs and private jobs. Please comments what you are thinking. Is my view is correct or not? Please comments on my videos and please see my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hello guys, please like, comment and subscribe my channel English Learner. Thanks for watching my video.